Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now let's tap on software information, and here we have to find the build number. Now all you have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. Probably you will have to confirm the whole step with the pattern open, and as you can see, we had the information that the developer mode has been enabled. So we can go back to the general settings, and right under About Phone we've got developer options, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show surface updates, we can show hardware layers updates, we can change some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, and so on and so on. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. So in order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top, and as you can see, most of the options are inactive right now and you cannot customize it. And after getting back to the general settings, you can see that the developer options simply disappeared. But obviously no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.